So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Chrome sync is paused inside of Google Chrome. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I'd recommend doing here though is going through and finding your Google Chrome application. So go ahead and open it up, and the first thing you're going to want to do is sign back in inside of your account. So sometimes you might have to go through and basically just, sign in, to your account. So find your sign in button, which if you're in a Google page like this, the top right button right over here, and you should be able to sign in, or you should be able to see your account information. You might want to go through delete your account or just sign out and then re-sign back in. And that could be a very easy way of kind of going through and fixing this problem. So try doing that. You might want to see if that ends up working. If that still doesn't work, you might want to try updating your Google Chrome app. So go inside of your App Store, your Google Play Store, whatever you use, and you basically just want to go ahead and basically type in Chrome, just like so, and you want to go ahead and see if there's an update for it. If there is, just go ahead and try updating your Google Chrome application, and this can be another really easy basic thing that you can also do to go and fix this problem. So sometimes you might just have to go through and just do this thing a couple of times, and that might end up fixing it for you. So try going through, try clicking open, and try seeing if that ends up fixing it. If that still isn't working, you might have to go through and reinstall Google Chrome. So completely remove and delete Google Chrome from your device. Go ahead and remove it, go ahead and reinstall it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which, like I mentioned before, for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.